Hello everyone, welcome to Digitron Solution. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of the project, that is dog breed prediction system, which is implemented using convolution neural network. That is, the input to this project will be an image of a dog, and based on that image, the breed of the dog will be predicted. The implementation is done using convolution neural network, and we will be using TensorFlow.js, that is a Google library, machine learning library known as TensorFlow.js is being used to perform this implementation. The language used for this project is MeanStack, means we have used MongoDB as a database. Yes, we can even use MySQL as the database. If you want to change from MongoDB to MySQL, we can do that. Then we have used Express and Node.js as a backend and AngularJS as the front end to implement this project. So let's see the working demo of the project without wasting much time. So currently the project is hosted on AWS server. So this is the particular project. You can see this is the front end of the project. This is a basic website. It is dog breed prediction application using deep neural network. Even we have given an option to add new breeds. So you can add n number of breeds, whichever breeds you want, you can add and then train your network. That is, the network is designed in such a way that you can pre-train it with your own data set. So you can add all the breeds, like what is the dog breed name, height, weight, color, life expectancy, what is the lifespan, what is the temperament of the breed, like what are the special features of the breed, and different images. You can add nearly 10 plus images for each of the dog breed. So again, I'll go back to the home page. Currently, to show you a demo, currently the project is I can say the project is being trained with these all dog breeds. I'll show you which are the dog breeds currently which are being put up for train. So these are the dog breeds which I have put up into the data set, and I am about to train my data set with these all dog breeds. So American Eskimo, these are the images. You can see even the image size are of different size. American Foxhound, this one. So these are the images which I will be using for training. So already I have added those one by one, and now I will be directly going and I am clicking on the button that is perform training. I'll click on this. Now it will set up the CNN network and it will train that CNN network with my data set. Now if you want to see the training logs, we can go in the console section and you can see it is reading one image at a time. So it is reading one image and it is converting it to TensorFlow and it is adding to our training data set. So this might take a while, at least 5 minutes, and once training is done, I'll be getting a message saying that training successfully completed. So let's wait for that. Yes, you can see currently number of classes, or you can say classification, are 6 because I am training with 6 different types of dog breeds. I got a message saying that training successfully done and the training model is ready. I'll say okay. Even the training model will be saved in this Chrome database. There are different types of databases available within the Chrome also. So it has been saved. Now what I'll go is I'll close my console, I'll go down. You can see this is the prediction section. Now I need to browse a dog image for which I want to predict. So I'll initially go with my data set. So I'll go in this dog breed. Let's go with American Eskimo. I'll select this. I'll say perform prediction. Yes, it has been predicted as American Eskimo. Once I say OK, it will update all this data here. Color, different types of color it is available, weight of this particular dog breed, life expectancy, temperament of this breed, and what is the height of the predicted dog breed. Now I'll say browse. I'll go with some other, say this one. I'll say perform prediction. You can see it has predicted correctly. It has what? American Water Spaniel. Okay, now let's go to some Google images. With whatever images I say American Eskimo, I'll say I'll go to some images section. I'll download one of the image, say this image. I'll say save image as desktop, say save, replace it. Okay, then let's go in dog prediction. I'll say browse. I'll go to desktop. I'll select the image which I have downloaded from Google. I'll say perform prediction, and you can see it has predicted correctly. So this is how the project is been implemented. The more number of images you have and you have trained, and different types of breeds you have trained, the project will be more perfect. Yes, it will take more time if you have more set of training dog breeds. Okay. So this is how the project is implemented. Yeah, one more thing to note is like the training and prediction is done on the Angular side itself, not at the Node side. So you require a powerful system. I mean to say at least i3 or i5 processor is needed so that it can train faster. Okay, so I hope you understood the working of the project. If you are interested in the project, you can go in the description section of this YouTube link and you can buy the project. Yeah, we might provide you all the files and all regarding this project, but you need to host it if you want to host it on AWS. You can even run the project on your local machine too. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.